How to change PIN or password on Android. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up if we want to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up settings application for that. And once we open up settings, we can go over to the option for security and privacy, or look out for the options. So we have different options available. We can tap on lock screen as well. Depending upon the device, you can just go over and open it up and look out for the option called screen lock. And you just need to go over and enter your credentials. So first of all, go ahead and enter it up. Once it's done, it will give you a bunch of options. So if you either want to change your PIN, you can tap on the current lock type and go ahead and switch it up. First of all, you need to enter up your current one and tap on continue and enter up the new one. After that, tap on continue and the new password will be done. If you want to use a password option, we also have an option of password. So you can use the option for password, select the second or the fourth option called password and tap on it. After that, you can just go and enter up your password and tap on continue and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm it up. And when you do, you will be able to change your PIN or the password on Android. You can use a very complex 6-digit PIN or strong alphanumeric password to protect against unauthorized access. And that's it. You can also use biometrics, but usually this is how you do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.